Good morning, dear students. Welcome in online classes. My dear students, last week on study, we have discussed about the economic life of the people. Economic life of the people means economic life of the Indus Valley people. So, we have already discussed dress and ornaments study. Dress and ornaments completed. Then after food and food habits also discussed on study. Then after occupations, what was the occupations of the Indus Valley peoples? This already discussed. Then after trade and commerce, also discussed. Study. Today our topic is one more topic in that play and amusement. Play and amusement. What types of the games? This type of the game preferred by the Indus Valley people. Generally, the Indus Valley peoples prefer the indoor games. Indoor games like that dicing and gambling. Dicing and gambling was the most important games of the Indus Valley people. Through the dicing, they uses the pasa and gambling also indoor type of the games. Beside these games, they also do. Whenever they got the time, they also do many other activities like that gambling, like that hunting, like that music and dance. They also found into the Indus Valley civilization. Many toys and many other play amusement exhibitions through the archaeological into the Indus Valley civilization. So first of all, whenever we discussed about the play and the amusement of the Indus Valley civilization, then it is necessary that we know about that how they use their games and this type of the games developed and played by the Indus Valley people. Okay, so first of all, a large number of toys and dolls. A large number of toys and dolls had also been exhibited. They carried for the playthings of their children and for their indoor games. Okay, so dance and music also found in the type of the play and amusements, and then after they also hunting, charioting, bullfightings. These are types of the activities going on the Indus Valley civilization. After that, fourth point and the next topic, religion. Religion of the Indus Valley. Which type of worship and which type of religious activities performed by the Indus Valley civilization? So first of all, they use their image worship, means they worship in the form of image, the god and goddess form of image. So the first important point, the Indus Valley people worship the image worship. They found that the image worship. There are two types of the deity and gods. First, a female deity known as Shakti. She is considered as the creation of the world. So the female deity Shakti, or in the second name, mother goddess. What is mother goddess or Shakti? So the Indus Valley people worship as a creation of the god, female deity Shakti or the mother goddess. And second thing, on the other hand, the male god known as Shiva. Okay, in modern time also three-faced god, he also known as the three-faced god. Then the male god Shiva or Pashupati also worshipped by the Indus Valley peoples. The three-faced god known as Pashupati and Shiva. Okay, so the both are the important god and goddess. Besides these, there are other important worship performed by the Indus Valley people, like that they also worship certain trees. Certain trees means like that people tree. The Indus Valley people worship the people tree. Today we also worship the people tree, and they also believe in life after death. So they bury all necessary goods in their in the dead body. Okay, so they also believe in the life after death, and they also believe in the magic and charms. Through the magic and charms, they also believe the magic and charms to keep the evil spirit away. ऐसा वो मानते थे, जादू और टोना में भी विश्वास करते थे. So the magic and the charms to keep the evil spirit away. Okay, so today we only see about that. There are two important male and female gods. Shakti as a female god and Shiva as a male god, performed and worshipped by the Indus Valley people. They both are in the form of image. Then after, beside these Shiva and Shakti, they also believe in life after death, and they also worship certain trees, some important animals and birds. Birds, people tree. They also believe life after death, and one more thing, they had also begun the worship of fire. They had also begun the worship of fire. Means, if you see about the religious belief of the Indus Valley peoples, then we found there are two types of god and goddess. Mother god or the female god Shakti or the mother goddess. Male god Shiva or Pashupati, known as the three-faced god. Many seals discovered by the archaeologists. There are so many types of the carved on the stones through the Shiva or the Pashupati. Okay, so Shakti or Shiva, they also worship certain trees, animals, birds. They had worshipped. Then after, they also believe magic and charms. So to keep the evil spirit away. So next, after that, they had also begun the worship of fire. Through the worship of fire, firstly we know also that in the old story, our ancestors also worship the fire. They also believe on the force of nature, lightning, thunder, and natural, all the natural types of the objects they worship into the old stories. But here into the Harappan culture, they had also begun the worship of fire. Next, art of writing. What do you know about the art of writing? Yes, the art of writing also developed during the time of the Indus Valley people. The Indus Valley people used the pictographic script. Which type of script? Pictographic script means writing in the form of picture. The writing in the form of picture known as the pictographic script. The Indus Valley people use the pictographic script for their writing, and the pictographic script that type number of original 62 signs. How many? In early Harappan culture, there are 62 signs discovered and written by the Indus Valley people. But in later Harappan culture, this was reduced and only 22 signs available for the pictographic form. Okay, so art of writing, this type of in pictographic form. Okay, then after Lothal Dockyard. What was Lothal Dockyard? Actually, Lothal Dockyard was a site of later Harappan culture. It was a site. It was very important for trading activities, and it was also completed for the important port and center of the bead industry. Which industry? Bead industry. Okay, Dockyard Lothal developed as the most important port and center of the bead industry. Means Lothal was a site. It was a center of trading and commercial activities. When we see about that, the Mesopotamia, Lothal discovered into the Mesopotamia, it was very important for the bead industry. Okay, and many other Egyptian countries, through the sea routes and through this port, the goods storage into the Lothal Dockyard, and after that distributed into the inner part of the country. Mesopotamia and Egypt, especially through the Lothal Dockyard, the goods import and export. So Lothal Dockyard was a site of later Harappan culture. It was very important. For which purpose? For port and center of bead industry. Clear? After that, in this chapter, my dear student, in this chapter, the last topics given, that end of the Indus Valley civilization. The last paragraph in your book, chapter number 1, given how the Indus Valley civilization suddenly ended. This is not any actual reasons. No one can justify that how the Indus Valley civilization came to be an end. But many other importance and many other evidence given by the archaeologists and someone to the guess only the climatic changes. The climatic changes like that earthquake, flood and other climatic changes was the causes of the end of the Indus Valley civilization. Many other views and many other guests also told that the Aryans attacked on the Indus Valley civilization, then this civilization suddenly came to the end. It was finally around 1800 BC, the Indus Valley civilization came to a sudden end, but not any justified or actual reason. Only we can say the as a guess through the climatic changes, through the flood, earthquake, epidemic, many other reasons, but not any actual reason are certified by any archaeologist. Someone told that the Aryans attack on the Indus Valley civilization, so this civilization came to be a sudden end. Okay? Epidemic, Aryans attacks, climatic changes, flood, or the earthquake as a guess the reason of the end of the Indus Valley civilization. I hope that, dear students, you all are able to understand all the points. Today we discussed about that the last part of the economic life of the people, play and amusement, and then after religion of the Indus Valley people, image worship, clear, image worship, and female deity known as Sakti or the mother goddess, male god Pashupati or Shiva known as the three-faced god. Then after, beside these, they also believe the worship of nature, they worship the fire, they had worship the certain trees like the people trees. They also worship them. Some important animals like the tiger, elephant, and some important birds are also worshipped by the Indus Valley people. They also believe life after death, and they also believe in magic and charms. Then after, we have discussed about that art of writing. This type of art of writing developed by the Harappan people, known as the pictographic script. The original is 62 sign, but in later Harappan culture only 22 sign is covered. Lothal Dockyard was a site of Harappan culture. It was known as a very important port and center of the trade industry. Then after end of the Indus Valley civilization, how the Indus Valley civilization came to be an end. This is not, we can give an evidence for the Indus Valley civilization, not any exact reason, not any justified reason, but we only do the guess. Around 1800 BC, the earthquake, climatic changes, epidemic, and someone told that Aryan attack on the Indus Valley civilization. So this civilization came to a sudden end. Thank you. We again send you next video for the next chapter. Thank you.